So this is the elevator at Brown Hall, Washington University in St. Louis. It's a Dover Impulse. Something interesting is the button cap has fallen off this down button, so it's revealed the microswitch button, which is kind of funny because these can actually work as regular buttons, as you can see here, and they're actually clicky. Most of the time these buttons only push it in about that far, but if you push it all the way in, it clicks. So I found that kind of interesting. So we'll go down to B. Go to 3. Looks like the entire indicator is burned out.